across this recipe in a Better Homes and Garden cookbook many years ago, probably about 20 years ago. I didn't like all of the ingredients in it, so I tweaked it and made it my own, and you can do that too. This is a wonderful soup and it goes great with fried cornbread. I'm going to take you over to the stove top and we are going to get started on this.
I am using butterball turkey sausage. You can use the sausage of your choice. Go ahead and chop that up. Add this to a large pot and cut your stovetop eye onto medium. Dice 1 large Vidalia onion. Add that to your pot. Add a little virgin olive oil. Give it a stir. Add about 1 teaspoon of oregano. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Give it a stir. Put the lid on it. Turn your stovetop eye to low because we are going to let this simmer. Go ahead and cube a half a head of cabbage. Put this aside. We are going to use some great northern beans. You'll need 2 cans. And if you have navy beans, that works too. Now 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. And if you don't like this spicy, just put in regular diced tomatoes. Little pepper. And just a little salt. Although this already has sodium in it, so you can omit that if you'd like. Now we are going to use about 2 cups of chicken broth. Now you're going to want to grab that cabbage and go ahead and add it to the pot. Now 2 bay leaves. I like to place them in a certain spot so that I know where they are. Bay leaves add a wonderful earthy, smoky kind of flavor, but we don't want to eat these. They actually have rough edges and can scratch or cut your digestive tract. Put a lid back on this, and about 15 minutes in, we're going to go ahead and check and make sure that cabbage is really cooking into your soup. We are going to cook this for a total of 30 minutes. We're not through yet. We've got to get those bay leaves out. And if any of you have a better suggestion on how to do the bay leaves, I would love to hear it. But there it is. There is this wonderful soup, spicy and full of flavor. This is comfort food at its best.